Robots have only been a part of our lives for a few decades, however, they are getting increasingly popular each day. They can be quite helpful for our daily tasks and can lift a great deal of burden off our shoulders. They are also excellent toy options for children as they are interactive, cool-looking, and able to do much more compared to other kinds of toys. Judging by their popularity around the world, it is not a surprise that the demand for robot toys is increasing. This might make finding the best robot toy for your child or yourself a bit of a challenge. If you are interested in robots in general or looking for an outstanding gift idea, be sure to check our comprehensive robot toy list. Hi my friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video I present you 5 best RC robot for kids 2022. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the VINTOP brand. This remote-controlled stunt racer building kit can be built into 3 models: RC tracked car, RC robot, RC racing tank. All 419 PCS building parts are well made with non-toxic superior ABS plastics, and they are consistent, compatible, and connect easily, and won't fall apart easily. Plus a modern design with red and black color scheme and decorative stickers for detailing. The RC building kit toy is able to be controlled with phone app, Bluetooth connection, remote control mode, Euro mode, driving simulation mode, navigation path mode, program mode. 5 remote control modes are simple and easy to use. In addition, it can be controlled with the 2.4 GHz remote control in the package. The building robot, tank, car remote control distance is 25 meters. The DIY building blocks designed to provide kids interesting and challenging building experience and features realistic movement and mechanisms, helping to enhance kids' imagination and creativity, hand-eye coordination, self-confidence, improve critical thinking and promotes the importance of teamwork and collaboration. This remote-controlled robots come with a simple remote control design that makes it easier to move in all directions on a smooth, flat floor indoors or outdoors, left, right, front, back and 360-degree rotating stunt. Number 4 in our top is from the Corroder brand. To control this smart and intelligent robot toy, you can use the remote or gestures. The robot can flexibility move forward, backward, turn left and turn right simply through your gestures. It is also equipped with collision detection sensors that enable it to avoid obstacles in front of it. The eyes light up with bright blue LEDs when it moves. You can record up to 50 actions that this remote control robot can play back using its actions record feature. Robot toy will follow their program's record to operation one by one. RC robot could automatic do different actions with singing, so that kids can play their own imagination when playing. This smart robot charges by USB instead of using batteries. Charging time is about 1 hour, which can offer about 1 hour's playing time. Standby mode of 15 days, this kid's toy robot is very entertaining as it sings some songs, dances with its own music and talks with a charming accent. We continue with the number 3 that is part of the Think Gizmos brand. Looking for that gift for kids with a wow factor? This fantastic futuristic remote control robot toy for boys and girls is action-packed and so much fun. With this latest model you can even record the message you want your robot to speak, and at the press of a button your robot will speak the recorded message. Check out the video on the listing to see it in action. The awesome remote control dancing robot RoboShooter will have all the family on the run as foam discs are fired out at super speed from his chest. Children will have holiday fun pretending to stop any unwanted guests with their loyal robot guard. The RoboShooter is easy to use, interactive and full of action, a great introduction to RC toys for kids. Incredibly easy to control with the included 2.4 GHz remote control, which means a remote is mapped to one robot. Buy multiple robots and let the robot wars begin. The remote control includes buttons for the various functions of the RoboShooter, which includes walking, sliding, dancing, firing its blaster, shooting discs, and talking. Unlike other toy robots for kids, this model speaks in 5 different languages: English, French, German, Italian and Spanish. Also comes with fully translated instruction manual in English, Spanish, French, German and Italian. The perfect toy for any child who loves robots or remote control toys. Number 2 in our top is from the ALLCELE brand. This cute and funny robot is designed in two-part. The upper part is a cute robot with a pair of LED eyes and the gesture can be adjusted. The bottom part is a pair of tank tracks. Besides, we adopted exquisite packaging for this robot. It will be a great birthday or Christmas gift for your kids. LED eyes will light up once you turn on the robot. You can also close it or let it blink by remote. Voice function, turn on the robot, it will start talk with you in his own language. He can also sing 3 songs which can switch by remote. The tank tracks, let the robot move forward, backward, left and right. When it switched to demo mode it will begin dancing. The RC robot is powered by a 500 mAh rechargeable lithium battery which takes 120 minutes to be fully charged and can work for 100 minutes. There is also a mini USB cable allow you to charge it freely. The remote controller is powered by 2 AA batteries, which can be got easily on Amazon. This RC robot toy operates by a 2.4 GHz remote controller. The distance of the remote control is up to 100 feet. It is pretty easy for kids to operate. And finally, the number 1 product in our top is part of the SGILE brand. The remote control robot toy has a gesture sensing function. The sensor receiver zone on the chest can respond quickly after receiving various gesture commands and move forward, backward, left and right accordingly. The Programmable Kids robot toy has a 1-button programming function that can demonstrate a set of actions that the child enters through the remote control, and can input up to 50 motion commands so that kids can play their own imagination in play. After the patrol function is activated, the fun robot toy will move to observe. With its built-in sensor, the intelligent robot can detect and avoid obstacles encountered to avoid potential collisions. The robot toy has a pair of bright LED eyes, which can not only walk, slide, but also have the function of singing and dancing. Dynamic music and dance will bring more fun to children. The robot can play for 60 minutes after charging for about 120 minutes. And you can easily charge it using the USB cable that comes with the robot. Which remote control robot toy for kid would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Goodbye.